Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of AccessPress Theme. Today I would like to introduce you to our freshly released free WordPress theme Punte. Punte is an Elementor based free WordPress multipurpose theme that comes packaged with 12 plus unique starter website. You can import any starter website of your choice and customize it as per your preference. So in this video today, we will learn how to import and install the starter website available with Punte on your WordPress dashboard. So to begin with, let us first install and activate Punte WordPress theme on your dashboard. Once you activate the theme, you will land to the welcome page. In the welcome page, you can see a button, Start Importer Setup button. So you can click on it. It will redirect you to a page where you can get all the starter websites available with this theme. You can check out the preview and import your favorite one. So for instance, I'm going to import one of the demo, and now I will import the business demo. Just click on the import button. After that, a pop-up message will appear where you are asked to install all the required plugins. If you want the exact everything that you see in the preview of the demo, then you have to install all the required plugins. So I'm now installing all of them. After all the required plugins are installed and activated, hit on the next step button. In this step, you're asked to select the data that you want to import. For now, I have selected all and I will click on the Start Importing button. Now all the demo data are being imported. Once you are done with importing all the pre-built demo contents, you can view your site. Now, this is your latest appearance of your website. This is exactly the same that they have shown in their demo page. Likewise, you can import any demo you like. So, to let you know again, they have got 12 pre-built demos for restaurant website, for construction website, for yoga, for one product, for the landing pages, for your blog website, for hotel and restaurant website, for business website itself, which I've already shown you by importing this demo and installing it, and also for the gym, and then wedding, also for the charity website, and for your kid website. So you can choose any of the demo you like and import it following the procedure which I have shown in this tutorial.